Bad man, you know how long me wait for you to say so you change up your things certain way. Yeah man. Cause right now all what date me see two girl, the first thing them a say me broke and me nah no money. And a scammer man them love.
Anything you say Allah. You understand? But
I'm trusting a baby girl.
yeah, me trust it too, but
And I find nothing to something.
one thing about me do, you need to keep one eye on the youth.
Good man.
You get me?
Yeah, Mr.
I just a feeling when I get where I'm coming right now. You understand?
If I drop so many cars, put none on the road.
If you do what?
If you put none on the road.
I may try to say, you see, so me I tell you about. You see, broke scammer. You see, wise scammer.
So different still. Yeah, you want to look at chat now. Cause that piece of food that we chop out here. You give my boy something out there, sure?
Yeah man, a perfect cut man.
Sure. But when I see you on the block said you want something now. You 1 and 2 shot and make you know. I nothing good enough. But I nothing bad either.
Well listen, you see, I think more I understand. I don't want to feel like because I'm flexible and spin off certain things and do certain things. You know, we too know. I'm gonna say we start from the level era. So
Watch out. See it. If I say that, you know, and that me I talk about. Me I talk about. Look, all are we there for hungry days. All are we there for money days. You see what I say?
15 million in a man.
Speaking into video.
I mean, if you bang a line in bravery out here, I tell you that. Yeah, man, if you work and believe, you surely achieve, man.
That's true.
Know yourself, man,
Make sure
because
you have the right company around you. And make sure you're not involved in no gun business, no gang war, me no want hear saying that something there again.
Can I hear you?
listen
You like you're mad?
brother, listen to me, son, man.
Me say if you're mad, take over what?
No, you're not listen. I'm not saying can't take it over, bro. Me try to show you that the mentality why in the pants, such you know. Remember, I don't know, so you fully connect up, you know. So not like you can flip on you so easy, bro. So certain things you gonna try keep in eye dark, but catch you now.
Brother, your man come link me so you have to me say it's like him make me know say alright, carry a job. So you know I'm pre nothing. So you have to fear money I take a do them.
Yeah, man, son. Maybe fear money in it too.
Me say one circle, but I have an idea. Him a link in the next circle.
Listen, lower your voice. You don't go on too much. Come on, know where up for your voice for.
Nah, man. Yes,
Miss Jameson.
Yeah, Miss Jameson.
If we don't change the story now, history repeat again. CMJ.
Hello?
CM tears, CM pain.
Miss Jameson.
CM scamming business.
Me call from Jamaica. How?
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.